You step on the gas expecting that sudden kick from your turbo, but instead, your car hesitates, stumbles, and leaves you feeling like you are driving a lawnmower while that dreaded check engine light ruins your day. If you plug in your Obd2 scanner and see a P2566, your engine is telling you there is an intermittent electrical gremlin in your turbo boost control position sensor circuit. This little sensor is essentially the eyes of your powertrain control module, or PCM, because it monitors exactly where your turbocharger's vanes or wastegate are sitting. While your main boost pressure sensor handles the big picture of how much air is being forced in, this position sensor fine-tunes the operation to make sure you get smooth power without blowing up your motor. When the signal from this sensor starts dropping out or acting erratic, the computer panics because it can no longer accurately predict how much boost is coming. You will notice your fuel economy tanking and your engine struggling to find its rhythm during acceleration. Before you go out and buy a brand new turbocharger, which would be a massive hit to your wallet, you need to look for simple electrical failures. These sensors are often bolted directly to the turbo housing, meaning they live in a world of blistering heat and constant vibration. This environment is absolute murder on plastic connectors and thin copper wires. Pop the hood and do a thorough visual inspection of the harness. Look for wires that have rubbed through their insulation or connectors that have turned that nasty green color from corrosion. Grab some electrical contact cleaner and a small plastic brush to scrub those pins until they are shiny again. If the wiring looks pristine, you should use a mechanical gauge to verify you actually have good boost pressure. Sometimes a physical restriction in the intake or a clogged exhaust can mimic a sensor failure. If the mechanical side is rock solid but the code keeps coming back, grab your digital multimeter. You need to verify that the sensor is receiving its 5-volt reference and a solid ground when the key is on. If the power is there but the signal wire shows dead spots when you wiggle the harness, you have found your culprit. Replacing the sensor is a lot cheaper than a whole turbo, so take your time and do the detective work first.